Next time, Guru called Govind and said, "You and Gyan have studies together under my protection. So both of you are genius and equally intelligent in all Vedas and scriptures. So I am very happy to see that. But if you have to say a few words about Gyan, so what will you say?" So Govind replied, "Guruji, I am very honest person. So I will speak the truth. Gyan has learned all the scriptures by root. So by root means learn anything without understanding. Okay. So Gyan has learned all the scriptures without understanding. Okay. He is like a camel. He carries the load of the scriptures without understanding them." So Guru, hearing this, Guru said, "Never mind. Experience will teach him everything." So saying this, Guru gave blessings him and said him to leave from there. So next day, it was last day of Gyan and Govind at the ashram. So Guruji gave him a farewell party to them, Gyan and Govind. So Guru organized a feast for them in their honor. For their honor, for their honors. यानी उनके सम्मान के लिए गुरु ने एक पार्टी का आयोजन किया, यानी एक फीस्ट, एक दावत का आयोजन किया. सो गुरु ब्रॉट 2 स्पेशल प्लेट्स फॉर हिज मच लर्न स्टूडेंट, यानी जो ज़्यादा इंटेलिजेंट स्टूडेंट है उसके लिए 2 स्पेशल प्लेट्स का जो है अरेंज किया गुरु ने. गुरु अरेंज 2 स्पेशल प्लेट्स फॉर देम. So these plates were covered with beautiful white soft clothes. Muslins means होता है मलमल का कपड़ा जो होता है. So soft clothes. Okay. So when 2 students came for the meal, came for food, so they saw, so Guruji was not there. So he thought, where was he? So everybody was waiting for him for the food. So after some time Guru came. So Gyan and Govind sat down for the food या feast. दावत के लिए वो बैठ जाते हैं इन फ्रंट ऑफ देम. ओके, यानी जस्ट अपनी प्लेट के सामने दे सेट डाउन. सो आफ्टर द डिशेस वर सर्व्ड, गुरु एंड ऑल द स्टूडेंट यानी चैंटेड सब मंत्र, यानी से सब मंत्र बिफोर दे बिगेन टू ईट. आफ्टरवर्ड्स दे start eating. Gyan and Govind, when Gyan and Govind removed the cover from the plate, so they were shocked. They were surprised to seeing that in their plates, so there was grass in one plate and leaves in the other. So they were surprised. Yeah, they were shocked. So Guru said, "You gave name each other an ox and a camel. So I have served grass for the ox and the leaf for the camel." इसलिए मैंने ये जो ग्रास है ऑक्स के लिए और लीव्स कैमल के लिए सर्व किया है, क्योंकि तुम दोनों ने एक दूसरे को ऑक्स और कैमल का नाम दिया ना. सो गुरु सेड अगेन, सो बोथ ऑफ यू आर जेलस ऑफ ईच अदर. सो रिमेंबर द थिंग्स, नेवर फील जेलस ऑफ समवन गुड पोजिशन, बिकॉज यू कैन नॉट कम्पीट विद एवरी वन. तुम हर के साथ में कम्पीट नहीं कर सकते, कभी भी तुम किसी के साथ में कंपेयर नहीं कर सकते. सो यू कैन नॉट गेट सिंपली बाय इमिटेटिंग हिम और हर. ओके, इफ समवन हैज़ अचीव समथिंग मोर देन यू, सो इट डज नॉट मीन दैट ही इज़ मोर इंटेलिजेंट और हैज़ वर्क हार्डर देन यू. यानी अगर किसी ने कुछ ज़्यादा तुमसे पा लिया है, इफ़ समवन गॉट मोर देन यू, so it's not mean he is more intelligent than you या more hard worker. so इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि वो तुमसे ज़्यादा इंटेलिजेंट है. so never compare. okay, so be satisfied with you. so jealousy has no cue, so it takes you nowhere, so never be near it. so don't be jealous. So Gyan and Govind were dumbfounded, means Gyan and Govind were silent. So they learned lesson कि one should not slander, speak ill of others, कि हमें कभी भी दूसरों के साथ बुरी तरह से बात नहीं करनी चाहिए. We should not speak ill of others. So this is chapter. I know all of you understood this chapter, this story. So students, next question answer. First question is, in which subjects both disciples were proficient? So both students were proficient in Vedas, all Vedas and scriptures. Okay. So next, so what term was used by Gyan for Govind? So Gyan said that Govind has learned all the scriptures by rote. Actually he is Baal Buddhi, it's like an ox who has no brain at all. Okay. So next question, what term was used by Govind for Gyan? यानी ज्ञान के लिए गोविंद ने क्या शब्द यूज़ किए थे, क्या वर्ड्स यूज़ किए थे? So Govind said that Gyan has learned all the scriptures by rote. He is like a camel. He carries the load